Hey guys, we have $2,000 in this Lightning Link Magic Pearl. It's got a nice grand.
And we're going for it.
We're gonna go for it. We're gonna start with a penny, because that's how we go for it. So, I was playing this machine myself.
There's your missing dolphin.
And it was doing really well, so I said, I think we should go in this. Let's see if it's still, it took us a while to load this thing up, so she might have decided to go out with her girlfriends for the night. So we were taking so long. Why don't you put those big numbers back down here, girl?
Oh, you didn't get the fish right here.
$29.
$29.
$29 is $29.
Yeah. It's gonna give us all the toes inside. There's your missing chest there.
Alright, so last one on a penny. We're moving.
5 and 10.
Yeah. We got some baby tans.
Why not hit it? What are you waiting for?
Because somebody told me that I hit the button too fast and I make them nervous. So now I'm trying to be conscious
I know, but also
of how fast I hit the button.
Play your game now, too.
Sometimes I don't realize that I'm hitting the button fast because I'm just playing, you know. Right now the camera's in my hand, so I'm a little more conscious of it, but typically I have a tripod standing up, so I don't notice it. Alright, so it's a $10 bet.
100, 200, 300, 400, right?
Yep, 400, and these are $20 minis. So we're at $440 to start. $20 mini. Where's the big ones? Come on. There we go. Oh, I saw the green.
I have a hand pay.
I got a long way to go.
$250 one's going by, which is $500.
Yeah, well.
Oh, wow.
I would have had to land there, So look at that. Look how much we're up now. Almost $500 we're up.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
That would be this fella. Alright, so I'm going to go back to a penny just for a few.
Keep that. If you could, just give me another one whenever you see this and everything.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to bring you another one?
Yes.
I can help you.
Yeah, and if I can get that water from you too, that would be awesome. Thank you so, so much.
You're very welcome. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, give me that dolphin. You little dolphin turd. Alright, I'm going to do some 2 cents and we're going to move. We'll just do a couple here. So, babe, let's chatty chat about where we're at. So we're $400 ahead. So do we just go for it to our original money?
Yep.
Alright. That's what we're going to do. You heard it out of his mouth. We're just going to hope to play up, but we won't go down past our original money. So I'll tell you the other reason we are going for it, because when I was playing this, we did get the hold and spin and we got down to the last ball and it was flashing the last ball for the $16,000, but it didn't land. So interesting, I've had the grand twice, and both times I had the grand, I did not see the ball flash. but yet everybody says if you don't see the ball flash, you're not gonna get it. So in the last month, I've seen the ball flash twice and didn't get it. And the 2 times I did get it, I didn't see the ball flash. So maybe I'm a little backwards.
Maybe don't do 250 bets.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Well, you sound like Mike. What are you doing? Can I do $5 bets?
Yeah, good. It's not 250.
I wasn't paying attention. I was telling a story. Come on, give me that guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the dolphin on that big bet. 1250 bet.
This isn't even. Let's go back
But I
here.
get 2 cents. That was fire.
On fire, we got 1 bonus. You can't call that fire. Come on, do it. Oh man, I like all those little zeros. I would like to get at least 1 more bonus. I keep seeing that green one. It's only $5.33, which, you know, it's still good money, but it's a small major, is my point. Oh, you sounded good.
Alright, why don't you go back to Penny and just hit some $5 max bets.
Alright.
Just to kind of...
That's what I did. I went back to it to kind of start it over. Let's go to 5 cents. Yeah, just like Plum went to bed, huh?
Why don't you do a $10 average, just go from $6.25 to $12.50, about a $9 average.
Okay. So for those of you asking, why didn't you cash out after you hit that nice win? You were $500 ahead. To that I say, we do it for the people.
Oh, I thought you had...
We're just making a video for you guys. We couldn't end it. We were only 2 minutes into the video. And we're hoping to hit another one. Oh.
Come on.
All right, baby.
Alright, we'll finish it out.
On 10 cents?
10 cents and do 5 and 750 bets.
Yeah. Boy, this thing just really just went right to bed.
Yeah, it's crazy. Paid that one hit and that was a wrap.
He's teasing with dolphins, but dolphin? Oh.
Stupid dolphin. Oh.
I thought you wanted me to stay here. You want me to? Show me down.
Oh man, it's not hitting now. So why don't you do back and forth these two?
Which ones? 375?
The 375 and the 625. Jeez, man, what the heck? You got
Right here. Really? Really, girl?
There they are.
What you gotta do to get some dolphins around here? You need to bring some little fish, baby. They're hungry.
Oh, look at that nice one. 125 ounce.
Yeah, it was a little something, something.
More ammo.
Do it, do it, do it!
Oh,
Got just enough for another bet. Oh. Alright guys, that's our original money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Bye.